I may have really overworn this hoodie since I got it, but I don't care because I love it. I've got my extensions in today, and I did cut them myself so that they are the same length as my natural hair. I probably should definitely have gone to a hairdresser to do it, but for now they will do. So I have decluttered my makeup for all of you guys. This video is going to be a bit of a different declutter because I'm going to be tackling my wardrobe. I just want to start out by saying I have way too many sweatshirts and jumpers. However, I do actually wear them. Well, I wear most of them. I'm sure there will be some that I'm getting rid of, but the majority of my jumpers and sweatshirts I actually do wear because I work from home most of the time. Jumpers and sweatshirts are kind of like my work uniform and my daily uniform and my going out uniform, and pretty much every situation in life I will be wearing a sweatshirt or a hoodie. So I am going to be keeping a lot of those, but I've got loads of going out clothes which I have not worn in ages and probably won't wear again and will probably be putting on my Depop. And also just a few random things in my wardrobe that I haven't worn in years. I need to drastically cut down on my clothes basically because I cannot take all of this stuff with me when I move out. So I'm going to be putting some on Depop, giving the rest to the charity shop. I don't think I have any clothes that I've worn down and I've got like holes in them that aren't usable, so I've definitely got some decent stuff that can go to the charity shop and I'm sure they can sell, which will be great. This is my wardrobe, by the way. This whole thing, it covers a whole wall of my bedroom. Oh my gosh, as well, can we just talk about my nails right now? I spent about 3 hours doing these this morning. We've got a bit of a space theme going on here. My pajama bottoms are from my range with Noticed. I think these are £10 at the moment. They're so soft and so cozy. And my bedding is, I did get this on Amazon, but they actually sell it on Argos now. They also sell it on Groupon, which is random. Oh, okay, well that's not gonna work. Well, first of all, we're gonna have to ignore this and this. I don't live in an Instagrammable house, okay? When I move out, things are gonna change. Wow, nice outfit. Right, so the majority of my coats and my going out outfits that I barely ever touch live in this wardrobe, which is actually my brother's because he doesn't live here anymore. I also took over his wardrobe as well as the rest of his bedroom apparently with all of my shit. I will be keeping this coat because it's one of my most worn. This is from Primark. Oh, something I had actually put aside that I am really sadly gonna have to get rid of is this. Okay, I probably should have zipped it up. This is a crop top from Jordan's range with Misguided, but this was too big for me and unfortunately they don't make it in a smaller size, so I can't really do anything about that. It's because like you ideally need some boobs to go in this. I might put that on my Depop. Would anyone be interested? And then these are just 3 jumpers that I've got hanging on here which have been washed and need to be put away, but obviously I'm keeping these because I love them. Goose and Gander, Vintage, and then Motel Rocks. Let's bring you over here. Oh, okay. There is some bubble wrap and a sheet in here. So on the back of the door, I've got my prom dress from my A-level prom, which was from Jarlow, London, or is it Harlow, London? I don't know how you pronounce it. This was stunning. I'm going to keep that just in case I ever have a fancy black tie event that I need to go to, because I did actually wear this when I went to the Ocean's 8 premiere. Then on the back of this door, I've got this ASOS maxi dress that I've actually never worn, so I'm going to get rid of that. We've also got this, which is a Halloween decoration, but it just lives in the wardrobe, which is kind of freaky, but it's okay. She can stay there for now. Then on this side of the door, I've got like longer things. So I've got this maxi dress, which is from Motel, which I'm definitely keeping to wear in the summer. I've got these trousers, which are from I Saw It First, which I actually completely forgot that I owned, and I haven't even worn these out, but I'm definitely going to keep these. And then I've got this dress from Nasty Gal, which I absolutely love. And then I've also got the dress, oh, there's more. I've got a jumpsuit from PLT, which I'm keeping. And then I've also got the dress, which was from Lipsy that I wore to the BAFTAs, which I'm never getting rid of because I freaking love that dress. Okay, then into the actual main section of this wardrobe. Okay, that's not mine, that's a shirt. I think that belongs to my brother. This jacket, this brown jacket, I think I've worn it maybe once. It's really nice. It's from Primark. It's like faux suede, but I don't wear this, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Same with this leather jacket here. This one was from Primark and it's got fur on the inside. It's kind of mixed material and it is really cute, but I just haven't worn it in ages, so that can go. I think I'm just gonna start a pile here of the stuff that I'm going to put on Depop. I have not worn this coat in forever, and I don't know if I can see myself wearing it again. I'm going to have to try that on in a sec. I'm going to keep this denim camo jacket because I really like it, and I can see myself wearing that in the summer. I've got a lightweight puffer coat, which is from Primark, which is actually really handy. I've got some sexy waterproof trousers, which I will keep for if I don't know, do any outdoor activities. Not that I do that very often. Classic denim jacket, again from Primark. Surprise, surprise. That can stay. This jumper I never got rid of after my previous declutter because I decided that I was going to keep it. But have I worn it since then? No, I have not. So I am going to put that on my Depop. Limited edition piece of Soap Does Nails merch that was never even released. Then I just have a bunch of summer jackets. This one was from H&M. This one, which Emma picked out for me from Misguided, I'm going to keep that. I've got another camo jacket, which is from Boohoo. This one isn't cropped. I'm going to keep that. This is probably my most worn denim jacket of all time. My black one, which was also from Boohoo. That is super cropped and kind of cut off. I've got the softest jacket in the whole world from Motel. I'm keeping my smart camel coat, which was from Primark a few years ago. My smart grey coat, which was also from Primark a few years ago. These are my more like businessy coats, you know, when I want to pretend that I actually know what I'm doing with my life. This is a fuzzy grey coat, which is also from Primark. Also going to keep that. The thing is, right, winter fashion is my thing. So any sweatshirts, hoodies, jumpers and coats are the ways that I switch up my outfits, and I do wear all of these, so they are not going to waste at all. This jacket, which is what I mostly wear for going on walks and stuff and watching James play football in, which is from Bershka. He's also got the one in black, so cute, we're matching. He's gonna hate me for saying that. I have got my custom designed by me Reputation jacket. Oh, the wardrobe is creaky. That I wore to Taylor Swift's Reputation tour. I made this myself and like studded it, and it took me forever. My most worn item of all time, my Primark leather jacket, which has got rips in the underarms, but that is staying forever. I've got a Mountain Warehouse ski jacket, which I'm gonna keep. I brought this with me to Iceland. Okay, this denim jacket from Misguided. I have actually worn this a couple of times, but apparently I never took the label off, so oops. This is actually a little bit too big for me, so I'm gonna get rid of that. It's just a patchwork, different colour of grey denim jacket. These two jackets are not mine. I think they are either my mum's or my brother's. I've got no idea. That is also definitely not mine. That belongs to my mum. Oh my god, disco pants. Keeping these in case I ever have a Sandy from Greece themed party. I've got loads of smart trousers. I don't really wear these that often anymore. These ones were from I Saw It First. Oh my god, I love these. These are from Boohoo. I think I wore these to VidCon last year. I've got some dresses in here which are from Motel, which I'm definitely keeping for the summer. I love this tiger print shirt dress. Okay, this is a two-piece which was from Shein. It's some culottes and then a off-the-shoulder crop top. I've worn this once to a NYX event and I don't see myself wearing it again, so I'm gonna get rid of that. This is another two-piece which is from Shein, which I absolutely love, so I'm definitely keeping that. This embroidered bodysuit was from... This was from I Saw It First. It is stunning, but I just have not worn this recently, and to be honest I don't really see myself wearing it anytime soon, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. How pretty is that? It's just like sheer mesh. Oh, okay, this is a velvet top. Remember when velvet used to be like really in? I had a matching choker that went with this, but this little velvet number can go to my Depop. This sequin dress definitely keeping. That was from Misguided. This dress, oh my god, I think I wore this to my first Revolution party. I think this was from Misguided. It's a velvet bodycon dress with roses embroidered on it, but I have not worn this since, so that is gonna go. This sparkly dress from Primark, I don't actually think I've worn it. It's gonna go on the pile. And then I've got a couple more super sparkly bodysuits. This one is from H&M and I've never even worn it. This was a playsuit from Boohoo. I wore this to Summer in the City a couple of years ago. It is inside out, but I loved this at the time, but I've got things that are very similar now, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Jumpsuit I wore once to a Claire's event. It's all like multicolored glitter. I think I'm gonna put this on my Depop because I can't really see myself wearing that again. This black two-piece I have not worn Have I worn it? I remember I bought this because I was going to wear it to Jordan's 1 million party, but I didn't end up wearing it. This is from Boohoo, but I'm going to put that on my Depop, I think. Oh my god, I wore this outfit to a award. I think it was the Blogosphere Awards. This was from Pretty Little Thing. This is a dress from Boohoo Petite, and I wore this to a party where I got drunk for the first time. Ah, the memories. I'm going to get rid of this because I don't really see myself wearing it again, but it is just like a plain black mini dress. This two-piece I wore to a NYX event with Emma. It's really weird because I've got pictures with so much of this stuff on my Instagram. This is a frilly off-the-shoulder crop top and then some matching culottes. Apparently I used to quite like a culotte, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Again, probably put it on my Depop. I do love a good red jumpsuit. This is what I ended up wearing to Jordan's 1 million party. This one is from New Look. I wore this to an event with Revolution when I went to Germany, and I have not worn it since, so I am gonna get rid of that one. This top is from Pull & Bear, and I wore this to a event with L'Oreal. How did I get away with wearing a top that was that low? I think I must have like stuck it to me or something. I got this on ASOS, but I'm going to put that on Depop as well. So I'm going to put this on my Depop. And then finally, I've got another Shein playsuit. Can't really see myself wearing this one again because I'm not the biggest fan of the lacy sleeves, so that can also go on my Depop. I only worn a couple of times, and then the rest of the stuff in here is my mum's. Okay, wow, that is a big pile of stuff that I am getting rid of, and I've now got a huge amount of space in here. Gotta check the pockets for money. And it's a train ticket from 2 years ago. I've now got to tackle my main wardrobe. So I just went downstairs and had my dinner. It's actually now about 8:30. I have decided I'm gonna finish this off in the morning, and I will see you then. Good night. Is that a bit too bright? I think the light is a bit too close to my face. Don't actually know if that's any better or not, but hello, it is the next day. I am about to tackle my main wardrobe. Also as well, I just wanted to point out that the majority of my favourite sweatshirts are not in my wardrobe because they're out of my wardrobe and piled up on my chair because I've been wearing them this week. So I'm guessing that means that there's quite a few in my wardrobe that are not piled up on my chair that I don't wear too often, and I'm going to sort through those now. There is also loads in my wardrobe that I do wear and will be keeping, but my goal of today is to find loads of things that I can either put on Depop or give to the charity shop because I'm sure that there is loads. Let's do it. So last time I decluttered, I actually colour coded all of this, and I have pretty much managed to keep it in some sort of order. I was recently sent this as part of a PR package from Revolution. This is in a small, and for some reason I just prefer my hoodies in a medium so that they're really baggy. So I think this can probably go to charity. It's in perfect condition. This is my thank you next jumper that I made. I actually wore this to an Ariana Grande concert. I made it at a Soap and Glory event. I might put that on Depop. Everything is just like hot glued on, so I don't really know how many times this would survive through the wash. This is gonna go to the charity shop. Hopefully somebody called Sophie will find it and buy it. Christmas jumper can stay. This right here, which is a jumper that says Imagine on it, I got it because it reminded me of Ariana Grande. It's still got the tags in it and I haven't even worn it, so I think I'm going to put that on my Depop. This jumper I have not worn all winter, so that can go to the charity shop. This one is from Pretty Little Thing, which I actually got for a video, which I think was Boyfriend Picks My Outfits or something. Or was it Boyfriend Breaks My Outfits? I can't really remember. But I never actually wore this out since that video, so I think I'm going to get rid of this one. I really like the colour of it and it's really cute, but on me, like, it's just not very flattering because it's a jumper dress. I've also got the matching joggers to this, but am I realistically going to wear this again? I also have the matching joggers for this, but am I realistically going to wear this again? Probably not. That can probably go to the charity shop actually. This jumper is from Pretty Little Thing. Used to love this, but have not worn it in ages because it is quite thin. This is actually really cool. It's got writing on the back of it, but I haven't actually worn this in ages, and to be honest, don't really know if I can see myself wearing this again just because the sleeves are very like big and balloony. This was from H&M. This red Primark jumper is really soft and still in really good condition. The reason I don't really wear this so often is because the neck is quite wide and you can see whatever t-shirt I'm wearing under it, which really annoys me, so I'm going to get rid of that. Super crop jumper from PLT. Again, I think I wore this to like Big Beauty Day Out or something quite a few years ago. It's really cute, but I can't really see myself wearing it again, so I'm going to get rid of that. Oh my god, I kind of don't want to get rid of this because I wore this on one of my dates with James. Why am I such a sentimental person? I kind of don't want to get rid of it. I can't do it. I can't do it. This jumper is a Trespass sweatshirt. I actually bought this when I was on holiday one time in the Lake District because I forgot to bring a jumper with me, but I have not worn this in ages, so I'm going to get rid of that. It's actually a men's one, I think. This misguided jumper is gorgeous, but again, it's the neckline thing that bothers me. The neck is a bit too wide, and I always wear t-shirts under my jumpers. Questionable fashion choices when I was 17. Then all the things that I decided to keep, I have kind of colour coded. And then down here, I've just got a load of skirts and joggers and jeans. Basically, any bottoms are on here. I don't even know where to start. A lot of these I probably will be keeping. Like all of my recent joggers, like these motel ones. I've got all my Primark men's joggers. These are £5 and they're really nice. These can go to the charity shop. These Primark ones, the elastic has actually gone in them. I think these are the only items so far that is not good enough for the charity shop. Because the elastic is gone, I don't think they'll be good for anyone. So I might find some textile recycling to put that in. These trousers, very questionable. I feel like you could only really wear these on holiday. Pew! I've got my Noticed tracksuit bottoms, which have got the matching jumper, which is just here. Obviously I'm keeping those. Those are perfect for traveling in. I actually wore those on the way to the Tokyo trip when I went with Benefit. These green jeans, well, they're not really green, are they? They're like slightly olive tone. Why did I buy these in the first place? Bought them, haven't worn them. Waste of money. There are so many, like, to be fair, I'm a lot better now. I used to just buy stuff willy-nilly being like, oh yeah, that's kind of cute, like I think I'll wear it, and not for a specific purpose. Whereas now I only really buy stuff, A, I really love it and know that I'm going to get loads of wear out of it, or B, like I'm buying it for a specific reason. All of my jeans in here I am actually going to keep because I do wear all of them. They just need to be folded up better. This skirt, I'm not gonna wear that. There's no point me keeping these like suede-y sort of skirts because they're just not my style. These skirts with the buttons down the front, I just feel like they are a bit younger looking than your classic denim skirt. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. And maybe that's because it's Georgia Asda age 11 to 12. That can also go to the charity shop. Oh, what a shot. So in conclusion, I'm keeping all of these joggers that are on here. All of this stuff that is draped over my bed is going to Depop. Same with that stuff at the back there. This giant pile is going to the charity shop. These are also going to the charity shop. Same with this one. These just need washing first, but these ones are all clean and all going to the charity shop, which I think is pretty great. And obviously all the rest of the stuff in my brother's room that I showed you yesterday, that's all going on Depop. So I'm gonna have to do it in stages because putting stuff on Depop is actually really time consuming, and it would be a little bit impractical to go to the post office with like 50 parcels to post. But keep your eye on there. It is Soph Does Nails, and I will be posting stuff on there over the next like few weeks, months. I will do it in stages, but hopefully eventually I can get all of these clothes up on there. That would be great. I'm now just going to answer a question of the day before I end this video, and if you guys have got any questions for me, leave them down below with the hashtag question of the day. I might give you a shout out in my next video. Today's question comes from That Missy Life, and she has said, just because you've mentioned Jack Sparrow, what's your favourite Lonely Island song? That is a good question. If you've got no idea what I'm talking about, the Lonely Island are a band. I don't really think they like do stuff anymore, like songs, because Andy Samberg, the main guy, went off and became a really successful actor, and he's in Brooklyn Nine-Nine. My favourite songs are Jack Sparrow, YOLO, Shy Ronnie 2, the one with Rihanna in, and also Mother Lover or any of the ones with Justin Timberlake. Oh, there's too many. Don't make me choose. Right, I'm gonna end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry if it was a bit boring, but for those of you that like to see declutters and find them satisfying, then I hope you enjoyed. If you've got any other suggestions for videos that I can do while I'm in my moving process, let me know down below. I do need to design my filming room, and I'm so excited to do that. If you have any suggestions for what I can do with my filming room, let me know as well. And yeah, I hope you're all good, and I will see you in my next video. Remember to give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already and you want to be, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!